Hello and welcome to our channel Digital Travels. Today we'll be sharing about a new feature we have added to our software via which you will be able to upload the Excel file downloaded from the portal of your B2B suppliers like tripjack, travel boutique, fare boutique, etc. and global distribution system like Amadeus and Galileo. So let's move towards the video. Open Digital Travels, click on Login button, enter your login credentials. To upload an Excel file of your data of different suppliers and GDS, first you have to download the Excel file generated from their portal. Then click on Purchase option, click on Excel Import for billing. Software first asks you to choose the portal of which you want to upload the data. Currently, we provide you an option to upload data of digital, fare boutique, travel boutique, Galileo, Amadeus, train tickets of TBO, and tripjack. If you want to upload data of any other supplier, then you can arrange that data in digital's format and then you can upload your Excel file. In this video, we'll first try to upload an Excel file of digital and then we'll upload data file of TBO. Choose the portal digital. We also provide you an option to download sample Excel file. Choose the format. I have downloaded digital sheet. It has two invoices. I've changed the passenger name to Mahesh and Megha, and I'm changing the party name of one of the ticket, giving the same name Mahesh Solanki to the party. Now let's upload this Excel file. Click on choose file, choose your file, click on upload button. Software also shows you total pending bills. Currently it shows 2. Now if you will see, you are getting invoice generate option on party Musaji, but you're not getting it on Mahesh Solanki. Why? Because the party Mahesh Solanki has not been created in the software. First, you'll have to create the party and then you will be able to generate this invoice. Click on edit button. If you want, you can edit any information given in this invoice like supplier's name, airline and ticket number, party name, fee amount, taxable amount. Right now we'll just create this party. Click on add button. As Mahesh Solanki has been entered in party, software is automatically taking the group as sundry debtor or party. We just have to click on save button. Choose the party you have created. Click on tick button. Now we are getting invoice generate option for both the bills. You can either select each bill and generate invoice, or you can select all and click on generate invoice button. Our invoice has been successfully created. Let's check in the invoice view. Click on billing. Click on invoice. Change the date range. As you can see, that the top two invoices are the same invoices which we created via Excel file. You can download these bills or you can directly share to your clients via WhatsApp and email. Now let's import an Excel file of Travel Boutique. First, I'll download the sample Excel file. You can directly upload the sheet you have downloaded from TBO, or if you want to match the fields, you can download the sample Excel file and match it with the Excel file generated from the supplier's portal. This is my TBO's Excel file. Now let's upload this file. Choose the portal, choose your file, click on upload. As the format of all the B2B suppliers are different, we have also incorporated it in a similar way. Like if you generate an Excel file from TBO's portal, it just gives you the detail of the tickets you have generated via TBO. It doesn't have the party details to whom you are selling it. So first of all, you will have to choose the TBO's ledger that has been created in the software. Then for each bill, you will have to enter the party's name to whom you are selling. So this international bill, I am selling it to Rishika. Enter the final amount. Software has calculated the fee and taxable amount, tax rate and GST. If you want to enter hidden value, then you can enter it in OC. Software will adjust and calculate automatically. Click on tick button. This invoice has been generated. Now our total pending bills are 3. For all the other bills, you will have to choose the party name. All the 4 invoices has been created. Now let's check in the invoice view. Change the date range. As you can see, the top 4 invoices are the same invoices which we created via this Excel file. This is all about this feature. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your fellow travel agents. If you have any query or suggestion related to software, you can share with us in the comment section below, or you can contact us. Our contact details are mentioned in the description. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.